Okay, here's how you can create badges for your Roblox game. The first thing that we need to do is load up the Roblox website, then click on create here at the top. Now here we will go into creations, find the game for which we will create a badge, just left click on it, and now right here from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see engagement and badges. Just click on badges. You haven't created any badges yet, click on create a badge. Here we can upload the image. Now the formats that are supported are JPEG, PNG, TGA and BMP. Click on upload image, select your badge image and call it Great Supporter. Just as an example, you can create the badge name yourself. Badges enabled, your badge can be earned by players and is shown on your experience details. So here we can click on create a badge. And now if we left click on it, we can set some basic settings. So you can change this to badges disabled, so on and so forth. And that's basically it. And you can also write a description here for your badge. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.